Hello everyone. This presentation will cover accessibility in an online course. In the context of online courses, accessibility means making it possible for all students, regardless of physical or developmental impairment, to use all course materials and tools. A course is accessible to the degree that every student can get to, perceive, and navigate course content and assignments, submit assignments, and successfully use all course tools. Accessibility of online courses is important because a significant number of people have disabilities that can make it difficult for them to take an online course. According to 2010 U.S. Census estimates, almost 1 in 5 people have some kind of disability. Over half of these have a severe disability. Many students with disabilities prefer online courses to face-to-face courses. An accessible online course enables students with disabilities to participate on more equal footing with other students without drawing attention to their disabilities or being held back by them. Accessibility is required by law. Federal law requires universities to make courses accessible. There are 4 major categories of disability, and each type has different types of problems accessing online courses. These disabilities can be permanent or temporary and may result from genetics, disease, injury, or age-related changes. The 4 major categories of disabilities are visual, hearing, cognitive, and motor. At UVI, it is our hope to make classes as accessible as possible for all students.